So I'm going to be unboxing this brand new fuel pump. This is a fuel pump that I've run in most of my LS swaps. If it's an intake pump and I can modify it, I run this little budget pump. This is a few reasons I run this pump. Now the reviews ain't great on this pump. It's sometimes hit and miss, sometimes they last, sometimes they don't. Most of the time it's user error. Either they don't put the filter on it good, or they try it, make sure it works, and they overheat it, or they put it in an LS swap or something like that, and the gas is moving around, it don't have baffles. Sometimes it's just the pump, sometimes parts fail. But the reason I go with this is it's budget friendly. It's around a $30 pump. You can get $30 pumps off at the internet, but you can get this at Advance Auto for around $30 some. Another great thing by getting it at your local auto parts store is if it goes bad, you can take it back in, replace it. You can go to the store and pick one up, a replacement. If you use one off the internet, Amazon or eBay, you have a whole return process, sending it back in, getting a new one, having to wait on it. This way you can take it out, replace it, even though it's an inconvenience. Probably have your truck back up and going within a couple of hours. Or you can buy two of these, put one in the dashboard since they're so cheap, and keep it for a spare. Never know, you might need it. So let's get to unboxing it. I'll show you what comes into the kit. This is going on the cylinder unit for my LS scrub body. This is one I'm going to use. This is actually the same pump that's in the 3rd gen Kamal. If you watched my channel, picture of a little bit of the car up here, video. Check it out. Tons of content on that car too. Let's jump into this. So there ain't no tape on this box, so it ain't no need of me trying to, take a knife and cut it open. This is the part number for everyone who's interested in it. That's the part number to the pump in case anybody wants to see it. I had autofocus off, so if my video's a little blurry, I apologize. You can see it says CarQuest on it. It does come with instructions. We are not going to look at that. We're just going to look at the quality of the pump and kit. That's the pump. Very simple. It comes, as you can see, with the plug-in. Should plug in stock, hopefully. You got your feed, and you got where you sock, where your sock goes. That country accent's coming out, ain't it? Pretty heavy. You do not have a strainer, but you do have the place the strainer goes, a new O-ring for the tanks, a feed line, and a couple more things. So at the end of the day, it's a pretty simple box. It's a pretty simple pump. It's got pretty simple parts in it. It should work good onto the LS Swap Scrub Body Sending Unit. I will have a full assembly video of me doing that modification because that truck come factory with a, just for a throttle body 350. We need 58 pounds of PSI. This pump can deliver that for a LS Swap. So if you're new, get subscribed. And if you're a returning subscriber, thank you for watching another one of my videos. I appreciate it, and I'll see you next time.